Let us do Chakrasana, the wheel pose. Lie down on your back, fold the legs and bring the heels close to the buttocks. Distance between the feet should be about hip width. Place the palms under the shoulder. Make sure that the fingers are pointing towards the heels. As you inhale, press your palm and feet on the ground, lifting the waist up. Try to raise your hips as much as you can. Keep breathing while holding the posture. After a certain number of breaths, slowly exhale and bend the elbows. Gently drop the body on the mat. Stretch both the legs forward and lie down in Shavasana.